Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll guide you through how to add vidIQ extension to YouTube. So let's get started. To begin, open any web browser and visit vidiq.com. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the extension option in the main toolbar. On the next page, click on Install Chrome Extension. You will be redirected to the next page of the Chrome Web Store. Here, click on the Add to Chrome button next to the vidIQ extension. Next, click on Add Extension. Once you've installed the extension, enter your credentials to log into your account. If you have not created your account, click on the Sign Up with Google button to create an account. Then select the Google account on which you have created your YouTube channel. And there you have it. The vidIQ extension has been successfully installed. Now visit YouTube, and at the top right corner you will find the vidIQ icon. Once you hover over it, this will show the details of YouTube metrics. And there you have it. With these options, you can install vidIQ extension. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.